start the new exercise for the 8th standard, and this is the exercise 2.2 and 10th session for the 8th standard. Okay, in that first question, what they have given? Represent these numbers on the number line. First one they have given as a 7 by 4. Okay, students, 7 by 4 they have given. So it is a the number, it is in the which form? So it is in the improper form. So 7 by 4. First you have to form into a mixed fraction. Then how we have to form into a mixed fraction? That is 7 should be divided by 4. 7 4 ones are 4. Okay, 4 minus 3 is how 4 minus 4, 7 minus 4 is how much? 3. Okay, 4 as is the remainder. Okay, 3 is the numerator and 1 is the whole number. 1 3 by 4. So now we can represent this in the on the form. Okay, number line. So first you have to start with the 0. Okay, we have here the number that is 3 by 4. 1 3 by 4 is the number after the 1 and before the 2. Okay, then this number is lies between the after 1 and 2. Okay, in after 1 and 2 only we get the 1 3 by 4. Okay, students, so first you have to mark the points for each centimeter. Okay, number of parts are how many? 4 parts. 1 2 3 4. Okay, here it is 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. It is a 1 here. Okay, 4 ones are 4 ones are when we cancel, it is a 1 here. After this again 4 parts up to 2. 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4, 7 by 4 and 8 by 4. 8 by 4 is a 2 here. Okay, 4 ones are 4 twos are, we get the 2 as the answer here. So the number is 1 3 by 4 lies between the 1 and the 2. So what is the value of 1 3 by 4? 1 and 3 by 4 means 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 7 by 4. So we have to represent circle this one 7 by 4 here. Okay, 1 3 by 4 is equals to 7 by 4. Next come to the second one, that is minus 5. Minus 5 divided by 6. Okay, here they have given the minus 5 means integer they have given. So this number is lies between the 0 and the minus 1. Okay, when you have taken to the right side, you get all the positive integers, and when you have taken to the left side, you will get the negative integers. Mark it here as a 0. So 0, how many parts are there from 0 to 6? There are totally 6 parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so each distance should be measured with the scale with the 1 centimeter. So start from the here, minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 6 by 6. Okay, when we cancel we'll get here it is a minus 1. Okay, where is the minus 5 by 6? Here it is, circle this one. Okay, minus 5 by 6. Got it, students? Next, represent second problem. Represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11 on the number line. These lines are these numbers are lies between the 0 and the minus 1. From 0 to minus 1 we have totally 11 parts. Okay, students. first one 1 and B this one. Second one, represent the numbers on the number line, that is -2 by 11, -5 by 11, -9 by 11. These numbers should be represented on the number line. So first we have to draw the number line, okay, which start from the 0, but they have given all in the negative integers itself. So start from the here, okay, 0. How many parts we have? 11 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. It is started from the 11 means you have to take here as a -1 by 11, -2 by 11, -3 by 11, -4 by 11, -5 by 11, -6 by 11, -7 by 11, -8 by 11, -9 by 11, -10 by 11, and -11 by 11 we will get it as a -1 here. Okay. So which are the numbers we have to represent here? -2 by 11. Where is the -2 by 11? Here it is. Next is -5 by 11. Where it is? Here is the -5 by 11 and -9 by 11. Okay, this is how we have to represent the numbers on the number line. Next, write the 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Okay, write the rational numbers which are smaller than 2. 5 rational numbers smaller than 2. In rational numbers it may include any positive or else it may be any negative integers also. Smaller than 2 are, okay. We can start from the which is smaller than 2 means before 2 how many numbers will get? We'll get only the 0 and 1. Okay, after 0 which are the numbers we will get? Below the 0 will get the -1, -2, -3. Okay students, these are the rational. They have asked only 5, so I have written only 5 rational numbers. Below this -4, -5, -6, -7, those are all the numbers which is smaller than the 2. Next, find the rational numbers between find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay, and also -3 by 2 and 5 by 3. And sixth one they have in the same way they have given the sixth one also same problem, that is same method. Write the 5 rational numbers greater than -2. The numbers which are greater than -2 are. Okay. After sixth one, I will do the fourth and fifth. Okay. 5 rational numbers 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Greater than minus 2 are. Okay. Then after minus 2, what are the numbers you will get there? Minus 2, minus 2 we can't take. We take it as the minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are the numbers which are greater than the minus 2. Okay, students. In the same way, we can see here the signs will change here. Here we get the 0 and 1 for the only the rational number 2 when it is in the positive sign. But when it will come to the minus 2, the greater number which are more than the greater than minus 2 are minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, students. Next we'll come to the fourth problem. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 and 1 by 2. Okay, now I do fourth one because these two are similar. These two problems are similar. So I did first answer, third and sixth one. Next come to the fourth one. What they are asked is find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 and 1 by 2. We have to find the 10 rational numbers between the minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So fourth answer, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Okay, here they have the minus symbol and it is a positive. So to compare this one, we have to take it as a LCM for the 5 and 2. LCM of 5 and 2 is, LCM of 5 and 2 is 5 comma 2. 5 ones are 2 ones are. 5 into 2 into 1 is equals to 10. Minus 2 by 10 is equals to 10. Minus 2 by 5 and into, we have to form into a equal now, is equals to is equals to, is not equals to, and 1 by 2. Okay, we should get the same numbers as a denominator. To get 10, we have to multiply with the 2. 2 2s are 4, minus 4 divided by 10, and it should be divided with the 5. 5, 1 5 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 by 10 as the denominator. When there is a common denominator, it is very easy to write the numbers. So we have to find the different 10 numbers between the minus 4 by 10 and the 5 by 10. So before minus 4, what are the numbers we can get? Minus 3 by 10, comma minus 2 by 10, comma minus 1 by 10, and 0 by 10. Okay, after 0 we will get here as a 1 by 10, comma 2 by 10, 3 by 10, comma 4 by 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, these are the 8 numbers we got. So again we have to multiply with the 2 to make it the equivalent factors. That is 4 into 2 into 10 into 2. Again 5 into 2 into 2. We got here it as a 4 2s are 8, 8 by 20, and 5 2s are 10, 10 by 20. So the rational numbers are so from 7 by 20 to 10 by 20, we can make it as a minus 8 by 10, 8 by 20, comma minus 7 by 20, Okay, we have to take from the minus 7 itself. Minus 7 by 20, comma, minus 6 by 20, comma, because we got only 8 here, but we need a 10 numbers they have said, so we have again multiplied into 2 that one. Minus 5 by 20, comma, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, minus 2 by 20, comma, minus 1 by 20, and okay, they have also only 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 we got here, and 0 by 20, 1 by 20, comma, 2 by 20. Up to here we got totally 10 rational numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, got it, students? Next come to the, this is fourth one. Next come to the fifth one. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So in the same way, in this also we have to take the LCM for that, and after that we have to do the problem. Fifth one. In the first one, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So LCM of both they have given in the addition form itself. So directly you can take that one. LCM of 3 and 5 are 3, 5. 3 ones are 5 ones are 5 ones are. Okay. 3 into 5 into 1 is equals to 15 is the LCM. So 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So to get the denominator same, we have to multiply 3 into 5 and 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. And here also we have to multiply 5 into 3, 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Then write down the numbers from 10 divided by 5 to the 12 by 15. Between 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. But in this also we get only the 3 numbers. See here, 10 by 15, comma, 11 by 15, comma. Okay, we will get only the 2 numbers. We should not take 10 by 15, we have to take only 11 by 15. So, again we have to multiply this with the 2 now. 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. We have to multiply with the 2 and 2 here, and also 2 and 2 here. 10 2s are 20, 30, 5 2s are 30, and 12 2s are 24, and 15 2s are 30. In this also we will get the differences as only 4 numbers, that is after 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, and 24 will be only 3 differences we can see. So again we should multiply with the 3 this one. Okay, better we have to take the 3. 10 3s are 30, 15 3s are 45, and 12 3s are 36 divided by 15 3s are 45. These numbers between 31 by 45, 32 by 45, 33 by 45, 34 by 45, and 35 by 45. These are the 5 numbers between the 5 rational numbers between the 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay students, got it? In the third one is homework, that is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay, and second one I will do it now. Minus 3 by 2. Second one, B1 minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. We can directly find it very easily. This one we have to take it as a LCM of 2 and 3. 2 3. 2 ones are 3 ones are. Okay. 2 into 3 into 1 is equals to 2 3s are is 6. To get the 6, we have to multiply 3 by minus 3 by 2 into 2 3s are 2 3s are, and 5 by 3 into 6 we should get. So we have to multiply with 3 into minus 3 is 3 3s are minus 9, 2 3s are 6, and 5 2s are 10, 10, 3 2s are 6. We can get it very easily because minus 2 to minus 1 we have so many numbers. Again up from 1 to again we have the 10 numbers. So 5 rational numbers are minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, and minus 6 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 3 by 6. Okay, so here we have already 6 numbers here. Okay students, these are the 5 rational numbers. Okay, third one is for homework for you. Okay, sixth one I already did for you. Find the 10 rational numbers between the 3 by 4 and 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So they have given this also to find the rational numbers between the 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. By 5 and this is 7th one. Rational numbers between the 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So LCM of 5 comma 4 is equals to 5 4. 5 ones are 4 as is 4 ones are. Okay, 5 into 4 into 1 is equals to 20. So we want to get the 20 in the denominator. So 3 by 5 into 5 4 is 20 into 4, and 3 by 4, 4 into 5, 3 into 5. 3 4 is 12, 5 4 are 20, and 3 5 is 15, and 4 5 is 20. How many? Find the 10 rational numbers they have given, but we have only here 3, 13, 14. Only 2 rational numbers we have. So better you have to multiply with the number 4. When you have taken 4, 2 also, 12 2s are 24, and 15 2s is 30. We'll get again 6 itself. So better you can go for the next number 4. 12 into 3, 36. 12 4s are 12 3s is 45. 36 and 44 you can't get again. You have to go for the next number into 4. 12 4s are 48 and 24s are is 80. Okay, 48 and 12 5s are 12 4s is 4 5s are 24. 60 by 80. They have asked only 10 rational numbers, so we can get it very easily. Okay, 48 by 80 and also 60 by 80. So 49 by 80, comma 50 by 80, 51 by 80, comma 61 by 52 by 80, 53 by 80, 54 by 80, 55 by 80, 56 by 80, 57 by 80, 58 by 80. These are the 10 rational numbers between the 48 by 80 and 60 by 80. Okay students, this completes your exercise 2.2. In the next class, I will start the new chapter, linear equations. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can call me students. Thank you.